back for another load tonight. I just got one that's going to Pikeville, Tennessee. So, this is paying $1,200, y'all. 178 miles. So I'm pre-tripping right now. Very important. Make sure you pre-trip, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but make sure you're pre-tripping, y'all. Make sure your truck is in top-notch shape, especially during peak season. You don't want to be left on the side of the road, especially during peak season. So I'm about to go. I actually got this new poster truck, so we got to go. Let's get on the road. Alrighty, y'all, so it is 12:10. My check-in time was 12 o'clock. Your boy's all loaded up. I only have 4 pallets and 8 bags. Easy money, y'all. Easy money. This is it. I'm about to show y'all. So that is all I have, y'all. Alrighty, guys, on our way to, guys and ladies, on our way to Pikeville we go. Pikeville, Tennessee. Yo, so I'm here in Pikeville, Tennessee. Just got here. Parking lot is so tight, y'all. Like when I say toe tight, but I'm about to see if anybody's here and unload. Let's go. Actually, let's go together, y'all. See if anybody's here to unload. When is this? December 1st. Oh, somebody else came already. I don't know. It looks like somebody else is here already. They just left it here. Shoot, I wonder if I could do that. Nah, they say never leave it on the dock, so if somebody left it right on the dock, they don't care. So I'm gonna have to wait. Not to wait, but it's whatever. Okay, and I have no service here whatsoever, literally none. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, just finished the load. I'm so sorry that I didn't get that much footage, y'all. I didn't get that much footage of this load. But it was this I didn't get that much footage, y'all. My tripod still doesn't work. Whatever, but I'm on my way back to Georgia, y'all. I'll see y'all in the recap video. What's up, y'all? I am doing my recap video right here from my car. Camera here. Yeah, look. So, y'all, this was my best trip so far from Amazon. My best trip came through from Poster Truck. It was amazing. It was literally amazing. My best trip so far. I'm actually recording this a week after. So, I'm letting y'all know right now. Please, Atlanta, stop taking cheap freight. I ain't seen a $1,000 load in a few days. It was popping last week, but I don't know what's going on this week. Like, I had my poster truck set for the same thing I had set for this load. Nothing came in, and I know it's not gonna hit every time, but sheesh, it's peak season, y'all. Stop taking cheap freight, please. Stop taking, like Box Truck Shotty, he said, stop taking what is this? Peak season rates, freight, whatever it is. Stop taking it. Please. That's why Amazon is posting all these loads ahead of time, because they know, like, if they post it ahead of time and people see $300, $400, $500, they're gonna take it, even if it's paying $2-3 a mile. in Atlanta, but I see $1,000 loads in other places. But y'all, please just don't do it. Anyways, I'm gonna post my full miles driven along with my rate per mile after everything, after deadhead and everything. I'm posting that right here. But y'all, thank you so much for checking out yet another video with your boy Nicholas Ramsey. Please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe. It's just shaking too much, sorry. Turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. And until next time, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all